Have you ever found yourself entangled in a digital web you no longer wish to be a part of? Maybe you've outgrown an app, or perhaps security concerns have you worried. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want to cut ties with Wave Finance. Good for you. This video is your escape plan. Let's talk about why you might want to deactivate your Wave Finance account. It could be as simple as wanting to simplify your financial life. Maybe you're consolidating your apps, or perhaps you're concerned about data privacy. Or it could be something more serious, like a security breach. Whatever the reason, knowing how to deactivate your account is essential. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's clarify something. Deactivating your Wave Finance account is not the same as deleting it. When you deactivate your account, your data is still there, but it's hidden from view. It's like putting your account on ice. If you reactivate it later, everything will be just as you left it. If, however, you want to completely erase your data from Wave Finance's servers, you'll need to reach out to their customer support for assistance. Okay, so let's get started on how to deactivate your Wave Finance account. Step 1. Log into your account. First things first, you need to access your Wave Finance account. Open the app on your phone or go to their website and enter your login credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you're logged in, look for the Settings icon. It's usually a gear or a menu button. Tap or click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Find the Account Deactivation option. The exact location of the Account Deactivation option might vary slightly depending on Wave Finance's app or website design. Look for something like Deactivate Account, Close Account, or Delete Account. It might be under a section called Account, Security, or Privacy. Step 4. Confirm your decision. Before you proceed, Wave Finance will likely ask you to confirm your decision. They might want to verify your identity or offer you the option to deactivate your account temporarily instead of permanently. Carefully read the information provided and make sure you understand the consequences of deactivating your account. Step 5. Complete the deactivation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deactivation process. This might involve entering your password again or providing additional information. Once you've confirmed your decision, your Wave Finance account will be deactivated. What happens after you deactivate? As mentioned earlier, deactivating your account doesn't mean your data is permanently deleted. It's simply hidden from view. You can reactivate your account at any time by logging in again. However, if you want to completely erase your data, you'll need to contact Wave Finance's customer support. Tips for a smooth deactivation. Back up your data. Before you deactivate your account, make sure you have a backup of any important information. This includes transaction history, account details, and any other data you want to keep. Consider alternatives. If you're deactivating Wave Finance because you're not satisfied with their service, consider exploring other financial management apps or tools that might better suit your needs. Contact customer support, if necessary, if you encounter any issues during the deactivation process or if you have questions about your data. Don't hesitate to reach out to Wave Finance's customer support for assistance. And there you have it. You've successfully deactivated your Wave Finance account. Remember, you can always reactivate it if you change your mind. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.